All right, this video we're going to show you how to restore the default for the Mind's Eye drone using the dashboard. All right, so with the dashboard open, you can click refresh, select your COM port, click connect, leave it at 57600. If you don't know what COM port it is, you can also just search for the device manager. And then in the device manager, find where it says ports, COM and LPT. Open that, and then look for the Arduino Mega 2560. Mine is in COM 4. So we'll click connect. We'll wait till it's port open. It'll connect. It'll say disarmed, cleared waypoints. When it's connected, you'll see altitude, sea level, battery voltage if you have a battery plugged in. Your compass for your heading will show up and move. Your artificial horizon will move with your vehicle. So if you sitting flat and level versus if you nose down, nose up, roll left, roll right. And then over here, the battery voltage, because I don't have the battery in mine. Over here in the radio status, you'll see that if I flip the switch, the radio status switches between standard mode for stabilized mode and altitude hold. And then if I move my sticks up, down, left, right, up, down, left, and right, the stick movement matches the dot movement, which means I have the channels configured correctly. We want to open up the telemetry. And then in the telemetry window here, we have all of our settings, and we can go up here and click Restore Defaults. So that's going to send the request, reset the settings, and that should set all of these settings back to the default values for whatever they are. That should allow you to then continue and with your quadcopter in the rack, test to make sure that it will arm, disarm, the all of the features function, pitch, roll, yaw, that the disconnect works. So if you lose connection with your radio, the quadcopter should level itself out and lower itself down and then disarm. That should be everything for restoring the default settings.